Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at the perimeter of algebra tiles, and that's just the distance around these tiles. The first step would be to label each of the sides since each tile has different side lengths. I'm going to start with the x squared tile, and I know the whole way around the x squared tile all the edges are x. Then I'm going to go to the 1 tile, or the unit tile. I know each of those is a 1. And the top of the rectangle is a 1. The side of the rectangle is x. This is 1, 1, 1, and 1. Now that I've labeled all the sides of the shape, the next thing would be to write the perimeter as an expression. So the perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the perimeter of these tiles is 4x plus 8. Let's try the area of these tiles. Alright, hopefully you tried the area and you got x squared plus 2x plus 2. That should be review. Let's look at the next example. Here is the next example. Go ahead and draw it on your paper and then label the edges just like we did with the first example and check your answer with mine. So hit pause. Alright, hopefully you labeled yours the same as mine. And then I'm going to write the perimeter. You should have written 5x plus 6 for the perimeter. I always check mine by circling my x values, and then I cross off my 1s to make sure I get all the pieces. Alright, here's the next example. Draw it on your paper, please. Label the outside and tell me what the perimeter is. Alright, I labeled all my edges and then I counted up my x's and my 1s and I got perimeter is 6x plus 10. Alright, take a look at this next example. Be careful, there's a trick in it. Alright, when you labeled this one, it should look like this. Now, the trick was here where we have x minus 1. This side length of the x tile is taken up by a 1 unit of that x tile. So you have the side length of x, but you're subtracting this piece in here, so that gives you the minus 1. Then that same thing happens over on the other side here where you're missing this unit from the x. So you write x minus 1. So when you add all of this up, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's, but then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 positive ones, and 1, 2 negative ones, gives you plus 2. Alright, let's try another example like this one. Alright, here's the next example. Copy it down, pause it, and see if you get what I got. So here's mine. Take a look at how I labeled it. The sides that I have in red are the sides where there's an x minus 1. And then all of the purple sides are just your normal sides. So the perimeter is 4x plus 6. Alright, that's it for today.